For demonstration, tackling realities shipbuilding, wish list, transfer production drawings. This create a continued developments on creating a multi-hull management solution, managing change across multiple hulls. Common scenario is sister ships, although it's not the only scenario. Transfer all parts, drawing and logical items to other hulls of the same class. And as we've mentioned in the last 3 releases throughout 2019, development for this initiative is spanning several releases.
Welcome everyone to our little webinar here, and what I'll be showing you today is the ability to transfer production drawings between projects. This is part of our larger effort to help you with sister ship strategies where 2 of the real main massive goals are the ability to reuse and to manage changes across sister ships. In terms of the functionality here, what we have is in the Advantage pack, way over on the right, I can select transfer of production drawings, and now essentially I have to pick which drawings or drawing types that I want to take from one project and put into another one. So one of the main use cases for this is if you're building ships in parallel and you are adding to, creating parts, assembly, spools, etc. in, let's say, hull 1, the first step is to synchronize those parts between the ships so they now live in both. And then once you've put in a lot of work to create your production drawings, especially the spool assembly and arrangement drawings, I know from talking to a lot of you, they take a lot of time to get just right. It's really nice to be able to then reuse those between the projects. In this case, just using the training project, I'm just going to select a handful of drawings. Select an arrangement drawing, a couple of pipe spool drawings. We actually have support construction drawings as well. 1 product hierarchy drawing, and just a couple of assembly drawings. I now have to pick my destination projects. One additional feature that we have in here is that it gives you the ability to automatically update these production drawings once they arrive in the destination project. I will not be using this selection right now. Essentially, under the hood, this runs an existing command, which is sc update prod drawings, which is essentially a batch command where you select a set of production drawings that it then updates the parts and bombs, etc. Next, I get a little summary which says that I'm taking 7 items from this project and synchronizing them to my destination project. If I want to know more details on exactly what's about to happen, then I can click the details dialog. Here we see that 7 items are being copied. Let's say I want to review the 2 pipe spool and 2 assembly drawings that I've picked here. It tells me the name, location, etc. Once I'm happy with this, this is the magic button that makes it all happen. Once I click this, the changes will then be applied to the destination database and the drawing files copied over and hooked up to the other project. Now, as you can imagine, the more drawings that you pick, the longer this takes. In this case, I've picked 7, so it really doesn't take too long at all. We get a log at the end. And now, if I want to just double check, I can connect to my destination project. Just in case some of you don't believe me that those drawings now came across, I can check that these drawings now exist. This one actually got renamed because the naming convention is slightly different in this project. And these are all here now. And lastly, one other thing that I wanted to show you guys, because it is the first wish list item that the team that I'm working with was able to complete in this release of SSI 2019 R2.1. And this is quite a helpful command, especially for you that use Workshare Design. Common it is to insert a Workshare Design package, and then you have to update the project IDs. And it's quite handy that if what you're inserting is just maybe 1 or 2 units into a very large project, that you can just update the IDs for a specific unit. So up here in the Workshare section of the ShipConstructor ribbon, we can click on Update Project ID. And now all we have to do is select a unit, and then the IDs will update for this unit in this project. But I hope you've enjoyed the demo of transferring production drawings between projects, and we hope that you will be able to download and install the latest and greatest release of ShipConstructor very soon, and then have a look and play with these features and give us some feedback. We always appreciate it. Thank you very much.
All of that hull effectivity transferring stuff's very tantalizing. Multi-hull solution so far, just a recap there. Transferring major parts came out in 2019. And R1.1, we got the standard assemblies, pipe supports, and penetrations. And in 2019 R2, to transfer the spool drawings, and now we've expanded that to transferring production drawings. Highly automated workflow, as you can see. Click a few things, go. Intuitive user interface. We give the information as we go along and before we commit to anything. Allows the user to select what they want to compare between projects and list difference between the projects so really see what they're doing. All of these features are currently part of the Subscription Advantage Pack.